An unsettled weather pattern set to continue the next several days. Nothing to worry about tonight while you're asleep. We're going to be nice and dry. This 5-hour radar loop, though, it shows that shower, that little thunder shower that moved through portions of LaFleur County. It did track into Sebastian County before it really fizzled out once that sun set. That very well could be the case again tomorrow as well. How much rain did we pick up out of that fellow? Well, Poto picked up about 4/10 of an inch, which isn't necessarily a whole lot, but given the fact that Poto kind of missed a lot of the bulk of the rain over the last several days, we'll take it, right? Fort Smith picked up more than 1/10 of an inch. Not a lot, but certainly a little bit goes a long way. Here's what Futurecast is going to show us for tomorrow. I've paused this here around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You'll notice a lot of us nice and dry, cloudy. Temperatures in the 70s, mid-70s in the River Valley, low 70s in northwest Arkansas. With time, 3, 4 o'clock, we'll start to notice more of these spotty to scattered showers, at times with a little bit of lightning and thunder beginning to develop. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Difference with tomorrow's is the odds right now favor northwest Arkansas as opposed to today. It was generally south of I-40. You'll see more activity there. I think we're all going to have a chance of a shower or storm. It just looks like more coverage north of I-40 through tomorrow evening. That's all likely going to fizzle out by around this time tomorrow night. Overnight, we're expected to drop into the upper 50s, northwest Arkansas, low 60s. So a mild start to your Thursday out there turns into a pretty mild afternoon as well, mid to upper 70s. We could get close to that 80-degree mark in the River Valley. I think it's all going to come down to whether or not we see some breaks in those clouds. We'll get a little bit of sunshine. That certainly could help us warm back up. Now, Friday, there's another chance of rain. Timing's a little bit different with this system. We're going to be looking at what we call a mesoscale convective system. That's a big fancy word for just a complex of storms that are going to be moving in from the northwest. You'll notice 10 o'clock here, those showers moving in from the northwest slowly but surely through, let's say, around the lunch hour. The current timing looks to be some of these showers could be heavy. We could see some heavy downpours, and there could be a strong thunderstorm or two embedded within that. Severe weather chance looks to be somewhat low, but not necessarily zero with it. By the early afternoon, a lot of that's pushed off towards the southeast, and our Friday evening should be in better shape. Currently at 66 degrees in Fort Smith. Humidity somewhat high, and that's going to be the case for the next couple of days. 69 currently in Bentonville under a nice clear sky. In terms of your 10-day forecast, this is what it looks like. It's busy. Let's spend some time working our way through it. Chances of showers and storms tomorrow, again on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not any one day is an absolute washout. I think we'll have a bit more in the way of coverage on Friday, but it's probably going to be just as much dry time as opposed to rainy times on Friday. When it comes to Saturday, we're really looking at the afternoon, and you can probably say the same about Sunday as well. Monday looks good. Notice Tuesday of next week. Now, that's the day that I think we'll have more chances of organized severe weather. It's an eternity away when it comes to forecasting around these parts. So details such as timing, severity, hazards, placement, who gets more of what, yet to be determined. I just pointed out to you, not to alarm you, just to give you an early heads up that that's the day we are probably going to end up having to be weather aware with additional chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms the majority of next week. It's busy. There's a lot going on.
Yes.
But it really isn't uncommon for this time of the year.
I was going to say, every 3 or 4 days, it seems like one of these systems comes in until about June when nothing happens.
Yeah, and at that point, we'll be tracking and complaining about the heat and the humidity, and
That's right.
yeah,
begging for rain.
That's what happens every year, huh?
That's right.